Hello Stampers! I'm Dina Lanzendorf at Inkin' with Dink and welcome to my Facebook Live. So it's Tuesday. I don't do Facebook Lives on Tuesdays too awful often, but I had a card I wanted to show you how to make today that I'm making with my bundle of the week, and that is the Hello Ladybug bundle. So if you guys are ready, I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera over and... Oh, that didn't flip, did it? You guys can look at my ceiling. There we go. And get started with this. Okay, hope I'm in the right place. I don't have my laptop to look at, but hopefully so. So I'm using the Hello Ladybug bundle, which has the coordinating punch. And this is the absolutely sweetest bundle that there is right now. I absolutely love it, and it is so easy to play with. So what we're going to create today is something similar to this card right here. I'm going to do things a little bit different because this one, I did this to match a team challenge that we have going on right now, which was to use the colors Soft Seafoam, Pool Party, and Just Jade. Okay, and those are some odd colors to put together, and I did it, and I think it works, but still probably not my favorite combination. So I'm going to make another one now using and show you how all this is done with the Ladybug Punch. Too cool. And I'll show you how I did this card. All right, so let's put all that aside. So I am going to actually make this card base real red. Okay, ladybugs are just red and black, and so that's what I want this card to be. So I've got my layer of real red, and then I've got my layer of basic black, and it is cut down to be 5 1/4 by 4. I'm going to put it right here. Okay, now, whoops, I just moved it. Now let's set that aside for a little bit. Now I'm going to do my next layer, which is my Whisper White, and I want it to be just a hair smaller, so it's going to be 5 1/4 by 4. That's not right. It's going to be 5 by 3 3/4. I was doing the exact same size. So 5 by 3 3/4 right there. Now, I want to put the stamp Hello on there, and that is from the stamp set. Okay, right there says Hello. And I also, if you look at this one closely, there you can see it, it has been embossed. So I want to emboss it, which means you want to stamp it first. So I'm just going to ink this up, stamp this down here, just like that. Now he's ready to emboss. Now I'm going to use one of my favorite embossing folders, which is Tasteful Textile. And I really love it because, I don't know, I just don't like cards that have too much plain white space. And sometimes I don't want anything too elaborate like this card. I just wanted it very subtle, and that's what this one is good for, is it's just a good subtle background. So I'm going to run that through. There we go. All right, now we're ready to start punching stuff out. So we'll start with our ladybug. So the ladybug body is just going to be punched out of black. Okay, now I want to punch another one because that is also going to be the middle of my sunflower. Now you're seeing, aren't you? So I'm going to do my Daffodil Delight, and I'm going to punch the wings. And I'm going to punch 3 sets of wings out of the Daffodil Delight. Okay. Then I want to make some leaves for my flower. So again, I'm going to do the wings, And this one is punched out of just jade. And then I want to do the wings for what the wings really are, wings. So I'm going to punch them out of real red. So that is what we need for this card. Okay, so we've got 5 sets of wings and 2 bodies. So we're going to start making our flower first. And I'm going to use my liquid adhesive so I can move it around. And I'm just going to put this like that. Then I'm going to go for my second one. And I'm just going to put it like that. Almost looks like a butterfly. Then I'm going to take my third set and I'm just going to cut it in half. Oh, you know what? I need another set. I got to have 4. I was sleeping on the job. Okay, and my 4th set, and I'm going to cut them in half like that. Then we'll take them, and it doesn't matter what this end looks like because it's going to be covered. Then we're just going to put one of these in between the ones that we already have down. So I'm just kind of going around and just adding my little layers just like that. Okay. Then I'm going to take my green set, which is my leaves. I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm just going to lay them under there, squeeze them in wherever you want your leaves to be. Now I am doing down here because I want to put my ladybug up near the top. Okay. So then we're going to take one of our ladybug bodies. We're going to make the center of the sunflower. So we've already got almost our whole circle. So we're just going to cut a little bit more in our circle. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay, which mine is not, as you can see, but that's okay. It's a handmade card. So we're going to do it just like that. Hey, Anne, thanks for joining me. Now we're going to add the ladybug, but we want to do our dots on the ladybug. And I love this stamp set and how easy they make this. So here is a stamp in the set that just has the dots. So all you're going to do, you're going to ink it up in black. You're going to get it centered on the wings where you want it. And look at that. How simple is that? It's so cute. And all I'm going to do now is just add our adhesive. We're going to stick our little wings on like that. And then he is ready to add to the card. Is that not the cutest thing? And then this layer is ready to add on too. Just like that. Wow, the red and black card really makes that ladybug pop. And there you go. That is how simple it is to make an entire card with the ladybug punch. So leave me a comment. Let me know which one you like better. Do you like the greens and blues that's for our team challenge, or do you like the red and black that makes the ladybug really pop? Leave me a mess or leave me a comment, and I'll do a drawing and send out one of these cards to a lucky winner. So let me know which one you like the best. So there you go. That's how you do the punch. That's how you make a super cute card. Come back tomorrow, and I'm hoping to do a Facebook Live to show some other projects using this amazing bundle and just some really fun things. I've already received some really cute card swaps and things like that using it, and have lots of ideas of what to do with this. So join me tomorrow at 3, and we'll make some more projects. So until then, I'll catch you next time.